Check. Is it on? Can y'all hear me in the back? Okay, good. Welcome everybody to Shaboom's Pub and Grill. My name is Jada King. I'll be your entertainment for the evening. Tonight's Taco Tuesday, aka Ladies Night. So females, you drink 50% off. That's only for the females. No she-males, no shims, no hims. Fellas, we call it Taco Tuesday because if you're lucky, you can take home the catch of the day fish taco. So don't be shy, buy a thought of drink. Tip drop's gonna be in the front. Y'all feel free to put $1 in.
Hustle Heavy Entertainment. We breaking bread, boy.
Can't say you really love me, cause none of you really know me. Now you the ones I gave the birds and the bees. Yeah, this shit hurts, man, it definitely left the sting. Out on ice like a deep freeze. But I'm a hot boy, 400 degrees. Yeah, I'm a diamond in the rough, call me Marquis. Want me to walk a fine line like you the police. But I'm still breaking down bells of 5 weeks. Who the fuck said money don't grow on trees? We hit a lick, oh we rich, yeah we got good and plenty. The Jaeger got me fucked up off the trunk, Psycho Billy. I'm hoped out on Hypnotic, it's a minute. I used to drown my problems in a bottle of whiskey. I was so depressed, nearly drank myself silly. Before you cast stones, yeah, make sure you're not guilty. Boy, I've been blessed, even though I was raised filthy. Can't say you really love me, cause none of you really know me. Not even the ones I gave the birds and the bees. Yeah, this shit hurt, man, it definitely left a sting. My heart on ice like a deep freeze. But I'm a hot boy, 400 degrees. Yeah, I'm a diamond in the rough, call me Marquis. Want me to walk a fine line like you the police. But I'm still breaking down bells of 5 weeks. I mean what I say, don't read between the lines. You try to knock my hustle, babe, please don't block my shine. You left me on the sideline, but not following your guidelines. You say that I'm a bad guy, at least in your eyes. But I'm just wondering why, because I choose to get high. Because the people I really love either left me or died. It's hard to stand straight, so I slip sometimes. You claim you're walking hard when it's hard to walk the line. You think my eyes wide open all of the time. If they were, I would've kept a close watch on this heart of mine. And this may come off as a bit of a surprise, but my spirit gets so low I get downhearted sometimes. But I'm the king of the jungle, they can swing from this vine. You're looking disturbed, yeah, supervised. I say something wrong, did you not like my reply? Let me say it again, bitch, you can swing from this vine. Can't you say you really love me, cause none of you really know me. Not even the ones I gave the birds and the bees. Yeah, this shit hurt, man, it definitely left a sting. My heart on ice like a deep freeze. But I'm a hot boy, 400 degrees. Yeah, I'm a diamond in the rough, call me Marquis. Want me to walk a fine line like you the police. But I'm still breaking down bells of 5 weeks.
All right. It's been a pleasure doing business with you. Call me next week. About weed.